What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Y'all, do you know what time it is? It's time to start opening up those advent calendars. Well, I did open the mini Barbieland advent calendar a while back, but this is an advent calendar filled with miniatures for our 1/6 scale world, although they do come in 1/12 scale as well. The Bee-sparked advent calendar is now the Vonq Advent Calendar. We got some really good pieces last year, so I'm excited to see what's in store for 2025. This advent calendar is made by a miniature artist. I follow her at Vonq Miniatures on Instagram. There are several numbered paper bags. Ooh, and we can already see that we're getting a little gift set. There's a card showing us the website at the top. We get a two-tone box that can open with little skincare products inside. And there's a cup and a jar with a removable top. And everything looks like a good size for the dolls. On day 1, we find more health and beauty items. We have a jar of cream, a blue bottle, and a brush where you can fill tiny little bristles. Day 2 is a project. There's a QR code that we can scan and it says closet. Oh wow, so we're making a closet. But when I read the instructions, it says days 2, 7, and 10 are connected and it is recommended waiting before gluing them together until you opened all 3. So let's open all 3. This is day 7. It says closet part 2 and day 10 says closet part 3. According to the instructions, we are to use a craft knife to cut these little pieces of wood to free the boards and other parts of the closet. Repeat for day 7, where we get a drawer where I'm going to go ahead and glue it together. And it really works! Then set that aside and cut out part 3. Then let's start gluing all the pieces together. This is a good time to catch up on one of your favorite shows because, there is a little bit of drying time. But wow, this looks like a pretty nice size. And that is just one side. When you add on day 7 and 10, we can make a pretty nice size closet. And since I have 2 pieces here, I can move them around to get a layout that works best for my space. Then we can display some of the minis we've already opened, giving us a place to display them while we continue with the advent calendar. That I opened a little bit out of order, but we're back on number 3, where we get fabric and cardstock so we can make folded clothes. Last year's theme had like an office vibe, and it seems like this year is kind of like a get ready with me, which is such a cute idea. Oh no, did I just glue that on the wrong side? Once it's on the shelf, it should be okay. But I like that the themes change, so we get different items every year. Now we just have to glue and fold this in half, then glue on a small piece to look like the collar of a folded sweater that we can lay neatly on the shelves. On day 4, we get a large mirror. We can remove the wooden frame and glue it onto the foil paper. And we can choose to paint it first, which is what I'm doing. I'm painting it gold. Then glue it down, then trim it, and we've got a nice size mirror for the dolls that we can add to this space. On day 5, we get some accessories like pink salt on a stand, a bowl, vase, and a clock that we can add to the shelves. On day 6, we get, ooh, is that like a little stool? And it has texture. We already did day 7 when we put the closet together. So let's open day 8, which looks like another mirror that we can glue together. We do need to be careful. Many of these items are delicate. But once it's dry, we have a vanity. On day 9, we get a container filled with makeup items. We got little palettes, brushes, mascara with painted details. Look at this little makeup brush. We already did day 10, so let's move on to day 11. Sorry if I've been going out of order. We got a few hangers to place in the closet, and we're getting different types of hangers that we can hang in the closet. My closet came with a wooden dowel long enough to make 2 poles, but I want one more, so I'm going to use a little wire to make another pole so we have more room to hang clothes. On day 12, we get a little box of, I think, cream and perfume. On day 13, we get 2 white plastic storage bins that we can place on the shelves. On day 14, we get a light. It's a little gold-colored vase with a small light that can fit inside and gives off a little glow. On day 15, we get skincare products, or at least what I think is skincare products. They look like little serums. On the 16th day, there is more decor for the shelves. This time we get a little succulent, a pretty cool gold vase, and more. Can we put the makeup brushes in the little cup? On day 17, we get a snowman decoration and a holiday garland that we can put together. We just have to cut out the letters, peel off the backing, place them on the flag, then peel off the other backing, place them on the included string so we can hang it up in the dollhouse. We also get ornaments in different shapes. On day 18, we get a rug. It is made of fabric and has what feels like a velvet detail. On day 19, looks like we're getting another project. Yep, it's a tree that we can put together. First, we have to cut loose the trunk, then glue it to the back. Once the glue is dry, we can cut to release the pieces, and we have a wooden tree for the dolls. And according to the instructions, we can take the leftover wood and cut it to make another tree. Then carefully cut the sides to get another tree. We can cut another little piece and glue it on top, allowing us to use the leftovers to make more minis. We are now at day 20, and we get a miniature makeup organizer and 2 gold cups. Oh, so maybe we were supposed to put the makeup brushes here. On day 21, we get little bottles of fingernail polish, press-on nails, and a little nail file that we can place in the organizer. Now we can place it on the vanity. On day 22, there's a cup of coffee and sweets on a plate. On the 23rd, there's a pillow with black velvet trees. I like how there's a little holiday decor mixed in with items we'll be able to use all year round. Day 24, only 2 days to go. Oh wow, it's a little necklace display. And there's a tiny little necklace. It's pretty delicate, so I definitely have to be careful with it. And it has what I think are teeny tiny magnets on the back, so it can open and close. What? And on the very last day, day 25, we get a replica of a supersonic hairdryer with painted gold details for the dolls. And now we have opened everything from the 2025 Advent Calendar. I think the theme this year was a lot of fun. We got a lot of minis. Absolutely loving the folded clothes. It's a great way to use up scraps after crafting. Speaking of scraps, I like the idea of using some of the leftover wood from the projects. These triangles are left over from the tree. We can cut them down a little and glue it onto the back of the mirror to make the mirror freestanding. And we could have glued the cutout from the mirror onto the back to give it more strength. Or we can take some leftover pieces from the closet and glue them on to make shelves. We can use more of the leftover wood from the closet, glue them together to make a box that we can glue at the bottom of the shelf to help it stand up, and we can use it for storage or as a planter. We can also place another piece of wood on top to make a bookcase that we can place in any part of the dollhouse. This is a cute way to display a few more minis, and of course, we can paint it whatever color we like. But overall, I think this is a pretty fun advent calendar, giving us projects and minis for the dollhouse. And here it is with the doll. The closet is taller than a classic Barbie, standing with flat feet. She can sit on the stool and at the vanity. But let us know what you think about this advent calendar in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we checked out the Vonq Miniatures advent calendar from VonqMiniatures.com. It's always a joy to see what other creators are creating in the miniature world. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!